Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your cPanel password in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free today, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to change your cPanel password in Namecheap. Changing your cPanel password in Namecheap is easy. If you have access to your cPanel, just scroll down to Preferences and click on Password and Security. Type your old password and fill in your new password 2 times and click on Change your password now. If you don't have access to cPanel and you want to change its password, just click on this Reset Password link and enter your cPanel username. If you don't know this information, just look up the emails you received from Namecheap once you bought your hosting account. Go to cPanel details and next to cPanel username, copy this username and paste it here and click on Reset Password. To receive your security code, just fill in your contact email address below and click on Send Security Code. Check your email for this security code, copy it like that and paste it here and click on Submit. And now you have the possibility to change your cPanel password in Namecheap. Make sure to use a strong password and click on Set Password. Now return to cPanel to login. Copy your cPanel username and enter your new password and click on Login. This is how to change your cPanel password in Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.